Are you building a rental website and wondering how to make your property pages look professional, easy to navigate, and ready for bookings without spending hours designing each page? WPRentals comes with 5 professionally designed default layouts for single property pages. Each of the templates uses a different image gallery. Using the Layout Manager, for each of these types, you can quickly choose which sections to show or hide, and you can also control their order to keep your listings organized. You also have built-in controls for the overview content, where you can highlight the most attractive features of each property, and you can also add custom fields, icons, or text to make your listings stand out, all without touching any code. You can also add custom section titles, include a listing disclaimer text that shows at the end of the property. You can manage how similar listings display and control the listing page sidebar, everything ready to use right out of the box and with easy clicks. This means you can launch your property pages instantly with no extra setup while still looking professional and organized. The owner information section is designed for clarity and security. Each property displays the owner photo, a short description, and the contact button, but personal contact details like email or phone number remain hidden until a booking is confirmed. Try WPRentals today and see how easy it is to build a rentals website that attracts visitors, converts bookings, and grows your business.